Instead of chasing bold contrasts and cold neutrals, 2025 bathroom design focuses on warmth, balance, and natural inspiration. By layering earthy colors, organic textures, and subtle patterns, you can create a space that feels welcoming, timeless, and effortlessly modern without worrying that it will look dated in a few years. Before you pick out a single tile or faucet for your bathroom makeover, stop and take a breath, because some of the most popular design choices from the past few years are officially on their way out. Those Pinterest perfect white-on-white bathrooms too cold. That shiny rose gold hardware you loved in 2020 already looking dated. And those oversized tubs that eat up half the room, they're more trouble than they're worth. In 2025, bathrooms are evolving fast, and today I'm revealing the 15 biggest trends that are fading fast and the smart, stylish upgrades to use instead. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just a weekend refresh, these insider tips will help you avoid costly mistakes and create a bathroom that feels timeless, luxurious, and totally future-proof. Let's make sure your dream bathroom stays ahead of the curve. Tile and surface trends fading away, and what's replacing them. Bathroom design is shifting in a big way for 2025, and it all starts with the tiles and surfaces that set the mood. For years, homeowners chased a clean and modern look with stark whites, shiny subway tiles, and intricate mosaic floors. But today, designers are saying goodbye to those overly perfect finishes and embracing warmer, more natural textures that feel inviting, calming, and timeless. Here's what's changing and how you can stay ahead of the curve. All-white bathrooms, warmer neutrals. The crisp, all-white bathroom was once a symbol of luxury and cleanliness, but in 2025 it's starting to feel cold and clinical, almost like a sterile hospital space. Pure white walls, floors, and counters tend to show every speck of dirt and can leave the room feeling lifeless. Instead, designers are layering warm neutrals, think soft grays, warm taupes, creamy beiges, and even subtle sage greens to create a cozy, spa-like atmosphere. Pairing these shades with natural textures like wood cabinetry, stone countertops, or brushed brass fixtures adds depth and character, making the space feel both relaxing and welcoming. Glossy subway tiles, handmade and textured tile. Those perfectly uniform, high-gloss subway tiles that once ruled bathroom walls are taking a backseat. Their polished, mass-produced look is being replaced by handcrafted tiles that celebrate slight imperfections, natural color variations, and tactile surfaces. These artisanal tiles, whether they're matte finished, subtly wavy, or slightly uneven, bring a sense of warmth and artistry that factory-made tiles simply can't match. You might see zellage tiles from Morocco, handmade ceramics, or textured stone tiles that reflect light in a softer, more organic way. Busy mosaic floors, large format stone, or terrazzo. Tiny penny tiles and intricate mosaic patterns, while once charming, now feel too busy and high maintenance. The countless grout lines are harder to clean, and the look can overwhelm a small space. In 2025, the trend is shifting toward large format stone slabs or terrazzo floors that deliver a clean, modern, and seamless appearance. Oversized tiles mean fewer grout lines, which not only makes cleaning easier but also creates a more open, spa-like vibe. Terrazzo, with its playful flecks of marble or quartz, adds subtle character without looking fussy, while big stone slabs bring drama and elegance. Fixtures and finishes to avoid, and the smarter swaps for 2025. The right fixtures and finishes can completely transform a bathroom, but some of the once trendy choices are starting to look dated and impractical in 2025. Designers are moving away from flashy, high-maintenance pieces and leaning toward timeless, functional upgrades that balance beauty with everyday use. Here's what's fading fast and the fresh, Stylish ideas to replace them: rose gold and copper overload, brushed nickel and mixed metals. A few years ago, rose gold and copper finishes were everywhere, from faucets to towel bars, adding a pop of glam to bathrooms. But in 2025, this overly rosy, shiny look feels too trendy and hard to match with other elements. Instead, homeowners are embracing brushed nickel, soft brass, and even mixed metal combinations. Brushed nickel is timeless, versatile, and easier to maintain because it hides water spots and fingerprints. Mixing finishes like pairing matte black faucets with brushed brass hardware or combining chrome accents with warm bronze creates depth and character while ensuring your bathroom won't feel locked into a single fad. Over-the-top range showers, multifunction smart showers. Huge range shower heads once promised a luxurious, spa-like experience, but in reality, they often waste water and lack flexibility. The 2025 upgrade is the multifunction smart shower. These systems offer adjustable spray settings, body jets, and handheld attachments, allowing you to customize your shower experience while saving water. Many smart showers even include digital controls, letting you preset temperature and pressure for the perfect start to your day. It's luxury and practicality rolled into one. Floating vanities without storage, functional, built-in solutions. Minimalist floating vanities had a big moment thanks to their clean, modern look, but they often sacrifice essential storage space, a huge drawback for daily living. In 2025, the focus is shifting toward functional, built-in vanities that combine sleek design with smart storage. Think deep drawers with hidden organizers, pull-out compartments for hair tools, and built-in shelving that keeps everything neatly tucked away. You still get that modern, streamlined vibe, but with real-world usability that keeps your bathroom clutter-free. The takeaway: trends may come and go, but function and longevity always win. By choosing versatile finishes, tech-savvy showers, and storage-friendly vanities, you'll create a bathroom that feels fresh, stylish, and built to last without chasing short-lived fads. Lighting and mirror trends losing their glow, and what's next for 2025? Lighting and mirrors are the unsung heroes of bathroom design. They set the mood, enhance functionality, and can even make a small space feel bigger. But some of the go-to trends from recent years are now starting to look dated or impractical, and 2025 is bringing in a new wave of ideas that are both stylish and smarter. Here's what's fading fast and the fresh updates that are stealing the spotlight: harsh overhead lighting, layered, ambient lighting. That single bright ceiling light or cold LED strip is no longer cutting it. Harsh, direct lighting can cast unflattering shadows and make the room feel sterile and uncomfortable. In 2025, designers are prioritizing layered lighting to create a warm, spa-like atmosphere. Think soft wall sconces beside the mirror, recessed ceiling lights for general illumination, and under cabinet or toe kick lighting for a gentle evening glow. Dimmer switches are also a must, giving you control to shift from bright task lighting to a soothing, ambient vibe. Tiny mirrors, oversized and backlit mirrors. Gone are the days of small, basic mirrors that only serve a practical purpose. In 2025, large, statement mirrors are taking over. Think oversized rectangular panels or beautifully curved shapes that reflect more light and make the bathroom feel bigger and brighter. Backlit LED mirrors are especially popular, offering a soft halo effect that not only looks high-end but also provides flattering, shadow-free lighting for daily routines like makeup or shaving. Cold chrome frames, warm, frameless, or mixed finishes. Those shiny, cold chrome framed mirrors that once dominated are starting to feel flat and uninspired. The new trend embraces frameless edges for a sleek, floating look or warm metal trims like brushed brass, matte black, or bronze for a touch of elegance. Some designers are even mixing finishes, pairing a brass mirror frame with black sconces to add depth and interest without overwhelming the space. The takeaway: bathroom lighting and mirrors are no longer just about utility, they're key design features. By swapping harsh overhead lights for layered, adjustable illumination and replacing small, outdated mirrors with oversized or backlit designs, you can instantly elevate your bathroom's style and make it feel luxurious, spacious, and on trend for 2025. Color and pattern trends that are fading, and the fresh looks for 2025. Color plays a huge role in setting the mood of a bathroom, but the once popular palettes of the past few years are starting to feel tired and overdone. In 2025, homeowners are moving away from cold, predictable color schemes and embracing warmer, more organic tones that create a soothing, timeless vibe. Here's what's on the way out and the exciting colors and patterns replacing them: cool grays, warm earthy neutrals. For almost a decade, cool grays dominated bathrooms, creating a sleek but sometimes sterile atmosphere. In 2025, those icy tones are giving way to warm taupes, soft beiges, sand shades, and creamy whites that bring comfort and natural warmth. These earth-inspired neutrals pair beautifully with wood accents, stone surfaces, and brass fixtures to create a spa-like retreat that feels cozy but still modern. Bold accent walls, subtle, layered color palettes. The once trendy bright accent wall, whether a pop of navy, emerald, or bold wallpaper, can feel jarring and short-lived. Designers now prefer a more layered approach with multiple shades of the same family to add depth without a single shouty feature. For example, pairing a soft clay wall color with lighter beige tiles and natural wood cabinetry creates a calming, seamless look that's easier to update over time. Busy geometric patterns, organic textures, and nature-inspired prints. Sharp chevrons, bold hexagons, and dizzying geometrics are losing their charm. In their place, bathrooms are embracing gentle, organic textures like wavy tiles, stone veining, terrazzo with subtle flecks, or botanical-inspired prints. These patterns bring visual interest but feel calming and timeless, echoing the natural world rather than trendy geometry. Matte black everything, mixed, softer finishes. While matte black fixtures had their big moment, an entire bathroom in black accents can now feel harsh and one-dimensional. The 2025 update is mixing softer metals, brushed brass, antique bronze, muted nickel to create warmth and depth. A hint of black still works beautifully when paired with these softer tones, but it's no longer the star of the show. The takeaway: bathroom layouts and design choices falling behind, and the smarter alternatives for 2025. Bathroom layouts have evolved over the past decade, but some of the most popular arrangements are now proving to be impractical or outdated. In 2025, homeowners are rethinking how they use space, focusing on efficiency, flow, and multifunctional design rather than simply following old blueprints. Here are the key layout trends on their way out and the fresh ideas that work better for modern living: giant soaking tubs, space-saving wet rooms. Oversized freestanding tubs once symbolized luxury, but in many homes they've become dust collectors. They take up valuable square footage, require more water, and are rarely used daily. The new alternative wet room concepts, where the shower and tub share one open, waterproofed space with a seamless floor and a single drain. This design feels spa-like, easy to clean, and incredibly efficient, making even small bathrooms feel bigger. Separate enclosed showers, walk-in glass showers. Bulky, framed shower enclosures with heavy doors are quickly fading away. In their place, frameless walk-in showers with clear or lightly frosted glass create a bright, airy, and seamless flow. Not only do they look more modern, but they also make the room feel larger and eliminate the cramped feeling of traditional shower stalls. Double sinks in small bathroom, single vanity with smart storage. Double sinks were once seen as a must-have for couples, but in compact bathrooms, they can actually waste counter space and crowd the layout. In 2025, designers are prioritizing one larger sink with a wider countertop and built-in storage, giving you more usable surface area for daily routines and keeping the space open and uncluttered. Closed-off toilets, open, integrated zones. The trend of creating a separate, walled-off toilet area is losing steam in smaller bathrooms. While privacy is still important, designers now prefer subtle dividers like frosted glass panels or half walls to maintain an open, flowing layout while still providing discretion. This approach keeps the space feeling bright, cohesive, and easy to maintain. Oversized vanities with dead space, custom built-ins with hidden features. Large, boxy vanities that eat up wall space but provide little functionality are being swapped for custom built-ins with clever features. Think pull-out hampers, hidden electrical outlets, charging drawers for toothbrushes, and built-in towel storage. These upgrades maximize every inch while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. The takeaway: 2025 bathroom design isn't about having more fixtures, it's about making every square foot count. By ditching bulky tubs, heavy shower frames, and awkward double sinks, you can create a layout that feels spacious, efficient, and beautifully modern, even in the smallest of bathrooms. Designing a bathroom that lasts beyond 2025. As you can see, bathroom design in 2025 is all about warmth, functionality, and timeless style. The trends we once loved, like all-white spaces, glossy subway tiles, oversized tubs, and trendy metallic finishes, are stepping aside to make room for smarter, more inviting choices. Instead of chasing quick fads, today's best bathrooms focus on comfort, efficiency, and natural beauty, with layered lighting, warm neutrals, and clever storage that truly make daily life easier. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just refreshing a few details, these updates can help you create a bathroom that feels fresh today and classic for years to come. Remember, design isn't just about following trends, it's about creating a space that reflects your lifestyle and personality while standing the test of time. So, before you buy that flashy faucet or commit to a bold tile pattern, take a step back and ask, will this still feel amazing 5 years from now? If you embrace the smart swaps and timeless upgrades we've covered, your bathroom will stay stylish, functional, and effortlessly modern well beyond 2025.